We're heading into the final hour with fear gripping the market at 29 out of 100. Question is simple. Can tech find a bid before that closing bell? Here's the reality check going into Power Hour. The Nasdaq is down 146 points or 0.55%, bleeding out in the final stretch. The S&P 500 is down 19 points at 0.25%. The Dow is barely hanging on, down just 90 basis points or 0.17%. But look closer and you'll see the real story. The Russell 2000 is actually up 0.46%, up nearly 14 points. Small caps are holding their ground, while mega cap tech crumbles. That's a significant divergence into the close. The big winner today is Meta, up 1.54%, closing at $604. Meta's bouncing, while its peers collapse, suggesting the market is picking winners within the tech space. Home Depot's another bright spot, up 1.17%, and JP Morgan is holding steady, up 0.76%, despite broader weakness in financials. Investors are clearly rotating into value and away from pure growth plays. But here's what's hurting. Google is getting absolutely hammered, down 2.88% to $347. That's real damage into the close. Amazon's following suit, down 2% on a down day for e-commerce and cloud. Netflix is sinking 1.93%. These are three of the market's heavyweights, and they're all bleeding out in Power Hour. Now here's where it gets interesting. The street is overwhelmingly bullish on most of these names. Analysts have 70 buy ratings on Amazon versus 0 sells. Google's got 62 buys to 0 sells. Same with Nvidia at 64 buys to just 1 sell. This massive disconnect between analyst sentiment and actual price action tells you something important. The sell-off might be pressure-related rather than fundamental. That means there's potential for a late-day relief bounce. Your key watch right now is that 30-30 level on the Russell 2000. If small caps hold that floor, it signals conviction that rotation isn't full panic. If it breaks, you're looking at broader selling pressure heading into tomorrow's open. The closing print today will tell us everything we need to know about tomorrow's momentum.